friends and family, and some strangers too. I've decided to make a little bit more videos and to show a little bit of where I go, what I see. Because I've realized I've been going on a lot of adventures, but I've not been recording anything. So I'm gonna try to start from now, from this year. So this weekend, on the 3rd of February, I'm gonna go and ride to Stirling, see a couple castles, see a couple cool little monuments, and try to get more into YouTube and posting some of my alone adventures. So I think it's kind of cool. And I don't post it, I don't share it enough. So I would like to show others as well some really, really cool places in Scotland. So, I have split the screen in half just to show you. So these are all the things I will need now while on the hotel. But if I went camping, I would also need all of these things. Therefore, to go down on petrol and just to make a quick video, I'm only going to be taking these. So, this is it. Finally going, all set and packed. Yes. One of the best places to get a little coffee on the way to Scotland is Tea Bay Services. So, another quick fuel up, and then, well now, we're back on our way to Scotland. That is the old bridge, not the one I'm on now, but that one, very close. That's the hotel. Look at that. Over there, over there. So, this is a quick room view. So I paid 180 for 4 nights. So it's not so bad. You got a bed. It's not comfy, but it'll do. Old slanted weird ass window which can't open. TV. Bathroom's quite nice. Another weird ass window which can't open. Yeah, nice shower. Not complaining. So, as I'm walking back from the memorial, this guy was trying to turn into this site for the memorial. Basically, that guy thought that he was going to go, but he wasn't, so he basically tried to avoid him and went up onto the ramp. As soon as I was heading back, saw everything. Could have been a hell lot worse, I'll tell you that. He only just grazed the corner and came up on the rocks. trail, all trails, and I'm starting in Gillies Hill Woodland. This used to be an old quarry. This is Gillies Hill in Camp Barron, and there's a couple of lakes down there, so I'm going to be doing like a mad circle. But yeah, that's how my walk is looking. The gravel, luckily it's not all flooded, and some nice views. Yeah, can't complain. I go Scotland quite often, and not every single time the route is nice and beautiful with hills everywhere. But sometimes it's just nice to go out. It's about not getting the smell of chippy and Chinese food and the guy who's running on one piston and burning radiator fluid. But sometimes when you do go out, it might be pretty boring for the whole walk. Like I've been walking for only like 40 minutes, but already pretty cool. So it's like a wee little cavern. I think I figured out what they are. I think this whole section is an old viaduct, but all of them has been shut off so the rainwater from the mountain doesn't come onto this grassland. So I think all the water has been rediverted and there's like a channel behind it which transports the water down there. So I made it up to Lewis Hill, and this is the Third North Lake. It's beautiful. I must say, the route through here is absolutely incredible. Feel like a big ravine down here, bit of rock sculptures. Still no cave though, but it's beautiful, beautiful. From a normal path, changes into Harry Potter's forest. So there's some sheep. All of them look very curious. Think they can understand me. I'm just saying I am transversing through this land of mud and despair along my way to see some caves and some waterfalls. Don't judge me, cows. So this is a quick update, and I took a little detour, and basically there's not a path, but I'm following Google, which means it's somewhere around here, the cave, somewhere around there, plus minus half an hour. Arrived at the waterfall after taking the wrong route many times, but it is actually beautiful. I just stumbled upon something cool. So this is pretty sure a shipment distillery for the island of Arran on the way to the caves, which is quite cool. So, I made it to the monument. Look at this beauty. I think you have to pay to actually see it up close, so no. So I'm at the Wallace Monument and it's beautiful. It tells a brief story about William Wallace and how he saved Scotland from the English army. Beautiful, definitely worth to see. I went to the whiskey distillery in Stirling, just above the castle. However, they didn't produce any whiskey, so I left.